Welcome to the BTSE Academy. Today we're going to be discussing L-BTC and how it operates on the Liquid network. We're also going to be discussing how to utilize L-BTC if you wish to do so. So before we discuss the utilization of L-BTC and all of its features, let's get a good understanding as to the network that it runs on. Liquid is a sidechain-based settlement network for traders and exchanges, enabling faster, more confidential Bitcoin transactions and the issuance of digital assets. Some of Liquid's features includes rapid transfers, which allows you to transfer Bitcoin within 2 minutes. Although we are going to be prioritizing L-BTC in this video, Liquid also allows you to issue new assets onto the network. The next feature that really stands out amongst the group is the confidential transactions. Asset types and amounts are hidden by default on the Liquid sidechain, keeping traders' sensitive financial data secure from third parties and preventing the front running of large orders. And lastly, we have secure trading. Each asset on Liquid can be swapped for any other asset using the open source Liquid Swaps tool. By minimizing counterparty risk, you can confidently work with more trading partners. So now that we have a good understanding of the key features that makes Liquid so valuable, how does this all work with L-BTC? Well, first off, all BTC are verifiable one-to-one backed by Bitcoin. Anyone can move Bitcoin to the sidechain through a peg-in using a Liquid full node, while peg-outs should be conducted through a Liquid member. All that's required to participate in the Liquid network is a Liquid wallet or full node. As a wallet user, you can freely send L-BTC, while a full node enables you to peg in Bitcoin, issue new assets, and fully verify blocks on the sidechain. So if you're a trader like me and you want to utilize all of the very promising features that L-BTC has to offer, this is how you do so. Utilizing Blockstream Green, this is an industry-leading Bitcoin wallet, providing Bitcoin users with an unrivaled blend of security and ease of use. This application is currently available on the iOS App Store, Google Play, and F-Droid. Once your wallet's all set up, it's time to receive some Liquid Bitcoin. Go to your favorite exchange currently supporting the Liquid network. In this case, we're using BTSE.com. Go ahead to withdraw Bitcoin and select on Liquid. Paste your Liquid address while selecting the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send. Confirm all the information and you're all good to go. Now once your wallet is funded with L-BTC, if you wish to send it elsewhere, simply press on the send button and either scan the L-BTC QR code or paste the address where you wish to send. Click on the account you wish to send from and the network fee you wish to use. Also type in the amount of L-BTC you wish to send, and once you confirm everything, simply hold down send and drag to the right. So there you have it, all the quirks and features of L-BTC and how to utilize it if you wish to do so. Thanks for tuning in to the BTSE Academy, and I'll catch you in the next.